Definite comfort food tonight. Hi everyone, I'm Tess, and come join me in my kitchen while I make some yummy, cheesy chili cheese fries. Sometimes life demands that you have some comfort food, and tonight is one of those nights and it's going to be chili cheese fries. Oh yeah. So let's get started. In my skillet on medium-high heat, I have about a pound of ground beef. I'm cooking and chopping until no longer pink. I'm chopping the beef into fairly fine pieces. I have some extra fat that I'm draining, and then I'm adding in some diced onions, bell peppers, salt, and black pepper. Cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm adding in some minced garlic, cooking for another minute, adding some tomato paste, and cooking and stirring for another minute. Next, I'm adding in some diced tomatoes. You can use tomato sauce if you like, but I like the texture of the tomatoes. Stirring and bringing this up to a simmer. Now for the spices. You can add your favorite chili spices. Tonight I'm adding in some chili powder, smoked paprika, which has a little bit of heat, oregano, and cumin. Giving that a stir and simmering for 30 minutes so all those flavors marry together. You will be able to find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the Show More section below. If you click on the word Show More, it will open and reveal this recipe, links where you can purchase some of the items that I use, and much, much more. If you have a chance, please check it out. For the fries, I'm using steak fries tonight. I'm cheating and using frozen fries, but you can make your own. The steak fries are large and flat and seem to hold the chili, cheese, and toppings very well. Let's put these chili cheese fries together because I am hungry. I'm using my little cast iron pans, but you can use any baking dish. First, I'm topping with some grated cheese, and I'm using cheddar cheese. On goes a good portion of the chili, and no skimping. And topping with more cheese. Popping this under the broiler until the cheese is melted. These chili cheese fries smell awesome. Topping with some diced red onions and jalapeno slices. If you're looking for some good comfort food, these chili cheese fries are the ticket. Hope you give them a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!